Now it's easy to craft an amazing coffee shop salted caramel latte at home with the Cuisinart grind and brew espresso machine. Simply gather your ingredients for the included recipe and turn on your machine. Fill the removable reservoir with cold water, then add your favorite beans to the hopper. Adjust the dial to your preferred grind. To create this latte, insert the portafilter with the dosing ring into the grinding cradle and select single or double grind. Once grinding is complete, remove the portafilter and dosing ring. Next, place the tamper puck into the portafilter, then tamper down with the assisted tamping lever. Secure the portafilter to the brew head and turn to lock. Set cup underneath the pouring spout. Press the single or double button and wait for your espresso to extract. Put the milk into the frothing pitcher. Raise the stainless steel jug so that just the wand tip is covered with milk. Turn on the steam and immediately lower the jug so that the wand tip is just hovering above the surface of the milk. The wand should make a slurping noise. Once the proper amount of foam is created, raise the jug so that just the wand tip is submerged. Tilt the jug slightly so that the milk is moving around in a vortex. Once milk is hot, turn off the steam wand. Tap the pitcher a few times to remove any large bubbles. Now slowly pour the steamed milk into the mug with the espresso. Then drizzle with additional caramel sauce. Now your smooth and creamy salted caramel latte is ready to enjoy. With the Cuisinart grind and brew espresso machine, making hot or cold custom espresso drinks is so easy and so delicious. Now that's a work of Cuisinart.